Jesus freak here. Now, I just got this and I haven't really done anything with it other than, just make sure everything's up to date. And, it's cheap, $150 computer. It's, Intel Celeron, 1.1 gigahertz, nothing to write home about. But the reason I got it it's an AMD64 architecture laptop, but it's a tablet. See, you think of tablets, you think of ARM running, Android or iOS, and this one runs Windows. But that's why I got it. Now I could probably install Linux on it. I don't know how well, especially since this is literally Walmart's store brand. But what I want to do is put a sort of turnkey emulation thing on it. So, put all my games and stuff on a micro SD chip, put it in here, hook a gamepad. Probably not this particular one, since this one that I've had since 2003, although it still does work. Doesn't have enough buttons, so I might buy another one next month. Into the USB port, and make it like a tablet, and have it so I can use it for video gaming. Maybe it'll make it like a little arcade cabinet or something. But for what it is, it's cheap, but it's pretty nice, the system. And I think it'll probably serve the purpose I bought it for. Either way, use it as a normal laptop if you want. Or you can use it as a tablet. And these things are pretty nice, even though they're kind of gimped. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you. It was $150 at the Walmart in North Tonawanda. Might find it at other Walmarts. Jesus freak out.